Hey y'all, what is up? It is your girl Michaela Lene, and I am back with another video. And today's video is going to be a natural hair review, trying out some new products that I've never tried before. I am so grateful that y'all have decided to come back another year to hang out with your girl. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Curlsmith Frizz Control Line. I found these products at TJ Maxx, and I was like, why not? But before I get more deeper into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you can be notified, and make sure you'll follow me at my social media handles on Instagram and TikTok. So that's where you can see when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can see what all I get into. So first things first, I always have to make sure I saturate my hair with water. It is very, very important. I already did a pre-poo. I believe I used the Just For Me stuff that I used in another video. I really do like how it makes my hair feel, how it really helps me detangle and get all that buildup off. So that's what I'm going to do, rinse that out, and then I'm going to be prepared to shampoo. The first product that I will be reviewing is the Curlsmith Frizz Control Cleanser. A little bit about this product. This gentle yet effective formula is designed to remove dirt and build up from your hair while keeping your curls hydrated and helping to control frizz. They are carefully crafted shampoo is the perfect solution for those wanting to cleanse their curls while helping to maintain moisture throughout the lengths and ends, resulting in soft, manageable, and smooth curls that you'll love to show off. Frizz Control Cleanse is perfect for all curl types. Not only is it sure to leave your curls looking and feeling their best, but will also leave your hair smelling like a tropical paradise with its gorgeous mango and papaya scent. And y'all, when I tell y'all, I do shampoo my hair twice, but as you can see, on the first wash, it already gave a good lather. And I love when a shampoo gives a good lather. And my hair is color treated, but my hair did not feel brittle. It didn't feel dry, none of that. So that was really a good shampoo. I really, really, really did like it. And if you were to go on the Curlsmith website, that product ranged for $26, but I was able to get that product for, it don't say on here, but I know one for those $26, so yeah. I'm gonna also show y'all the clip when I shampoo my hair the second time and it really goes a good lather. Then we're gonna go in with the conditioner. The next product I will be talking about is the Frizz Control Duo Conditioner. Introducing a conditioner duo that will revolutionize your curl routine. This dynamic duo can be used as a nourishing rinse-out conditioner or a detangling and smoothing leave-in conditioner, or both. The secret to this formula, effectiveness lies in its balanced combination of blackcurrant seed oil and coconut butter. These ingredients are known to be rich in omega-3, 6, and 9, which work together to replenish your hair lipid content and form a light film that helps to seal the cuticles. The result is in an anti-knot detangling action with lasting smoothness and shine. Say goodbye to bad wash days and hello to beautiful locks with an aroma of juicy mangoes and papaya nectar. Y'all, when I say this product did wonders, it really, 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 really did. And I also go in with my unbrush to help me really detangle, make sure the conditioner is smooth all over. So yes, and this line, well, I'll put it this way. I believe it came with a deep conditioner, but I'm not for sure. I know I didn't get it. Only got 3 of the products. So I just used the conditioner as a deep conditioner. I let it sit in my hair for a good 10 minutes, and then I came back and rinsed it out. This is what the conditioner looks like with both sides of my hair. I let it sit in my hair for a good little while. Let it do what it needed to do. I grabbed just a little bit more, just to place it on the top where my roots are, just to make sure that it really gets penetrated. And then I'm allow it. Then I'm about to rinse it out, and then we're gonna go into styling. Alright, y'all. I am now freshly out the shower, showing y'all what my hair looks like. Oh my gosh, y'all. My hair, it smells so good. It feels so soft. I am now about to go in and drench my hair to get ready for styling. And the styler that I'll be using is the Curlsmith Frizz Rescue Curl Retainer. It is an absolute rock star of a styler. This non-sticky jelly will provide perfect definition to your curls, coils, or waves. Not only does Curl Retainer provide frizz reduction by 79% for up to 72 hours, but it also helps define your curls with a medium hold without any stiffness or crunch. This is all thanks to our special tri-oil recipe, which includes sunflower, watermelon, and argan oils. These oils work together to create an invisible coat to the hair to prevent absorption of water and reduce frizz, leaving curls feeling soft, shiny, and healthy looking. This styler is truly complete with a refreshing scent of mango, papaya, citrus, and aloe. Oh my gosh, y'all. I truly did love the gel. I always love the stylers. I really love everything from Curlsmith, but I really did like this line in particular because I do, from time to time, I do have frizz on my curls, but I can honestly say it got the job done and did what it needed to do. So I'm going to go ahead and put the styler on all sections of the hair, and then I will be back to show y'all what my hair looks like with the styler completely in my hair. This is what my hair looks like with the product being in it completely. I'm going to let it air dry. I prefer to air dry anything, but I really do like what I'm seeing so far, y'all. And these are the final results. Do not mind my grandma's office in the background. Yes, it is a little junky, but I really did love it. I thank y'all so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button to come join the family. I'll be dropping banging content for all of 2025. I will be a lot more consistent. So please continue to hang around to see what all I get into. Again, I thank y'all so much for watching. If y'all use these products before, let me know. I want to know how it turned out for you. Thanks again. Bye.